So today we're in here working with some low back pain caused by deadlifting. And one of the first things that you can, well, I can at least notice, harder to feel it through the screen, is just how tight the QLs are down here and that right SI joint. Also notice that as we bend up to end range, that right leg bends way better than the left. And so we're going to try and fix some of that. First adjustment I'm going to do is with you turned on your side facing me over this way. Thank you. Gotcha. And so with this one I'm going to roll that shoulder a little more in front of you. You're just going to grab your elbows there, and then I'll have you bend just the top leg up, bottom's going to, I think that just adjusted itself. And then I'm going to give you a push in through the hips here. When you're ready, I'll have you take a nice deep breath in. And out. That was a lot. And then I'm going to get you turned facing the other way when you're ready. So, same setup. Perfect. You learn pretty quickly. I will roll you just a little more under you. Perfect, like that. Nice. I popped a couple times there myself, and then I'm going to get you back face down for me when you're ready. So, getting the pelvis aligned better. We're now nice and even at the end range there. That left leg bends better. And then if you raise your right leg up as high as you're able to in the air, not too bad there. Can you try the same with the left? So that is actually a bit better on the left side, meaning we're going to come up here. There's going to be another adjustment in through here. This one's just going to be a push down through you like that. You're okay with that pressure? Mm-hmm. Deep breath in when you're ready. As you breathe out, I'm going to give you that push. It was a lot too. You've been ready for this. One more here. And out. Good. All right. Still with me?
Nope.
Perfect. I'm going to get you to raise that right leg up as high as you can in the air again. That looks a lot better. That feels better, I assume.
Yeah.
I'll let you relax there. And then same thing with the left. Good, and nice and even that time too. So everything's starting to come along here. Good. And then, are you okay if I check right in through your glutes?
Yep.
Perfect. I'm just going to give you some light pressure. Actually, you're feeling pretty good through there. So then from here, I'm going to get you turned onto your back for me. Take your time coming over. Stool over. And then we know we have a couple adjustments in through the neck. So I'm going to start down here with you if that's all right. Mm-hmm. I'm going to just turn you here. And then it's going to be a gentle push through that bottom hand. You're okay with that one? Mm-hmm. Just like that. Got one more right here. So it'll be the same thing. Turn and push. You're good there? Mm-hmm. Good. Those like go really nicely. I don't know if it will have been quite loud enough for the camera to pick up on it, but
I heard it.
yeah, that's the big one. Here, I'm just going to hold you till that starts to let go. Good. And then actually there will be one more adjustment if you're up for it. I don't know if you feel the difference between trying to turn you that way where it's fairly smooth versus there where it just sort of locks. So the adjustment for that one, I'm going to turn you and I'm going to give you a bit of a push right through where my top hand is there. And let that breath out. Perfect. Not as scary as you remember?
No.
while I've got you here, if you're okay with it, I know we need to get those ankles unlocked. Well, maybe not need to, but it'll feel a lot nicer. I'm going to scooch down and in through the ankles, so you're just fairly limited on both, even more so through the right. To get the ankle unlocked, I'm just going to give you a tug like that. The traction feels okay through there?
Yep.
Good. And then this time when we go up, we do get some more range out of it, which compared to before, there's now a big, big difference. And then if we get this one unlocked, again, traction's feeling okay.
Yep. Ooh.
That one was a little louder. And that brings us back to even, except in a better range than we had before. Perfect. Couple more things. From here, if you don't mind, I'm going to get you sitting with me. And I'll get you to spin around this way. So I know we had an issue too through the lat on your right side. So that was, if I bring you here, I'm just going to try and lift your arm up. Can you try and hold that down for me? So that gets really challenging. And then if we support the lat tendon one more time here, hold that down. Good. So you get to relax. This part won't look terribly exciting, but I'm going to try and get some pressure off the tendons. You're okay with that?
Yep.
Yeah, sometimes these are a bit tender. At worst, they're usually pretty ticklish if it's the right spot, but some people are just more or less ticklish than others. It's always the military guys that are most ticklish. All right, and so with that, I'm gonna just try and pull you up, try and hold me down. Good. Perfect. So from here, if you don't mind, feel that out for me. Just move the back around. Let me know how that's doing.
Oh, really good, actually.
Shoulder too?
Yeah.
Perfect. And do you mind taking a couple steps around too and let me know how the low back is doing after we got that moving?
Yeah, not bad, actually.
Good.
Wow.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Wild.
Alrighty. Good to go.